Okay, welcome to 2022's quick room tour. I will try to do my best to do a voiceover since I can't find music. So yeah. Room's still not perfect. I have much things to add, but here's some posters, mostly fairy tale. Sailor Moon, some fairy tale in the back. A bed. Bedding needs to be updated. I have my third bookshelf in. Now have 3. This is the new one. Just an overview of it real quick. Makeup case. Manga shelf, which some random extras because I didn't have space. Plushies. Don't know why I stayed on that so long. Figures. And
get out.
Posters. Had to start that over because my husband came in. Posters. I need more posters or pictures. My makeup vanity. Got that like a year ago. And then the door. Here's a close-up. These are all my Hero Academia figures, which have been moved around. My kid was playing with them. This is SAO figures. Mostly Asuna. Sailor Moon figures. Shelf 1. I have a lot of Sailor Moon. Shelf 2 of my Sailor Moon figures. And then this is just a random variety. Demon Slayer and stuff too. Disney collection and random stuff. Oh, I didn't even realize my Ariel had fallen over. Oh well. Manga collection, we got my Sailor Moon Pops up top, at the very top. We got the Proplica. Sailor Moon Proplica. Then we have my High School DxD, Rosario Vampire, Fruit Basket manga shelf. We got Inuyasha and the full collection of Demon Slayer manga. The full collection. I bought it as a box set. We have Alice in the Country of Clover manga and Alice in the Hearts. Sailor Moon, old manga stuff, books. Sailor Moon collection. Tokyo Union and Cardcaptor Sakura manga. Some DVDs. We have Strawberry Shortcake and Care Bears and classics, and Harry Potter and Twilight and Warm Bodies and Naruto and Inuyasha. Sorry, that was fast. Gains. Yeah, mostly Pokemon and Animal Crossing. And then these are just knick-knack shelves that I'm showing you. The peak Hasumiku in the background. Just knick-knack shelves. Extra things I had. This is my crystal collection. And that is stuff I'm not going to talk about on YouTube. That's private. And Hasumiku Cherry Blossom Edition. Bye.